What does an architect do? The architect makes sure we have something to take selfies with and upload them to social networks. Okay, that was a joke. Yet we are all fascinated by structures and famous buildings created by renowned architects. And some of these creations have become well-known symbols and parts of the national identity. While new buildings are often eye-catching, architects are also responsible for reconstructions of old buildings, bridges, stunning city skylines, and much more. Architects are responsible for the aesthetics of the built environment. However, many architects would recognize that buildings are designed for people. Therefore, they should fit the needs of the occupants and ensure their well-being. Architecture is an art based on knowledge of technology, history, sociology, philosophy, law, and even psychology. Before creating a new building, every architect must perform the analysis of the context and become familiar with the environment. Architects should ask questions about the historical period when a certain area emerged, about the surroundings, elements worth preservation. They should assess the needs of people who will become the users of the buildings or structures being created. It is the responsibility of an architect to make sure that the design fits within the context, including building shapes and landscape down to small interior details. At the Faculty of Civil Engineering and Architecture of Kaunas University of Technology, you will start learning about all this from the first year of studies. And you will spend more than 50% of the time working on your projects and designs. You will start small with a residential house and continue with large projects of public buildings. You will develop skills in planning the entire neighborhoods and even cities. KTU studies will prepare you for the career of not only an architect who creates buildings and structures, but also of an urban planner who designs cities, or a landscape architect who works with green spaces. In Lithuania, it takes 5 years to study architecture and receive a master's degree. A lot of paths will be open for you after those 5 years. An architect, an interior designer, an urban planner, a landscape architect. There are also various areas where you can specialize. Create forms, plans, visualizations, do analysis, or engage in other activities. You will be ready to test yourself in other fields as well. Architecture is considered to be the fundamental form of art. You can, therefore, find yourself involved in industrial design, sculpture, painting, photography, or many other fields. In order to become a 21st century creator, you will learn how to use technology, computer-aided design tools, parametric design approach, or reality modeling to your benefit. During the study years, you will be ready to use building information modeling methodology. The ability for an architect to be tech-savvy is becoming an increasing advantage. During the joint project, organized at the Faculty of Civil Engineering and Architecture of Kaunas University of Technology, you will join the teams of architects and engineers to work on complex designs together, increasing your teamwork skills. After graduating your studies, you will be able to create structures that will be photographed by many and will be good to live and work in. Why join Kaunas University of Technology in Lithuania? With a KTU Architects Diploma and a certificate from the Lithuanian Chamber of Architects, you will be able to practice as an architect throughout the European Union. And it does not stop there. Our graduates work not only in the EU, but also in India, Japan, the United Arab Emirates, and other countries. You will feel the international aura at our university and in the city of Kaunas. And this is the culture that we nurture at KTU: internationality, interdisciplinarity, entrepreneurial mindset. KTU is a member of the European Consortium of Innovative Universities. You will be able to join the International ECIU Students' Challenges or use Erasmus Plus Mobility. Choose architecture studies with us and let's create the world together. More information: fcea.ktu.edu.